How to mount a Litemove TS-SP rear light. Take the Litemove TS-SP rear light and open the bracket ring. Fix it around the seat post and set up the right position. Slide a 4:1 8mm heat shrink tube over the cable. And cut the isolated wires around 11mm on both sides. For easy and quick connection, use the Litemove CT22 connector and fix with pliers. Slide the heat shrink tube over the cable and shrink. Remove the motor cover and left crank. Remove the sealing cap from the Brose light port. Plug in the light cable and make sure it is fixed. Then mount the cover and crank.